गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Last week we had done the verses Shrangara Rasa Sampurna, right? Yeah. Let's start from 83rd one. Shrangara Rasa Sampurna Jaya Jalandhara Sthita Odhyana Pitha Nilaya Bindu Mandala Vasini Raho Yagakramaradhya Rahastarpana Tarpita Sadyah Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshivarjita. Okay. Any questions in those verses? So various pithas are described, right, in those verses. Jalandhara Pitha, Odhyana Pitha, then Bindu Mandala Vasini, that is the Sahasrara Chakra. So these are all different places which are there externally, like Shakti Pithas. Shakti Pithas are said, right? It is said that there are 51, actually 64 crores of Shakti Pithas are there described in Shastras, scriptures, but out of them 51 are declared to be important. Out of them again, the most important are 3 Shakti Pithas. Okay, they are the Jalandhara Pitha, which is supposed to be in Jalandhar of Punjab. Then Odhyana Pitha, which is again described near the Himachal Pradesh, near Badrinath and Kedarnath it comes. Then third one is Kamagiri Pitha. So Kama Pujita is mentioned, right? So it is Kamagiri Pitha, which is the Kanchipuram, where Kamakshi Amma is there. Okay, so these pithas are described externally and they are connected to our own body, the chakras, which are Mooladhara Pitha is the Kamagiri Pitha, right? Odhyana Pitha is the Agnya Chakram. Then Bindu Mandala Vasini is the Sahasrara Chakram. Okay. So it is just, don't get confused with the names. It is just everything is connected. We have to connect physical places externally that are present to the Shri Chakra, which we every day do the puja, and to our own body, right? All these chakras are within our body. When we connect this and with awareness worship internally. That is called the secretive worship, which people cannot do externally, like doing puja. So that is called Raho Yaga, which is the internal worship. And it is done in a sequence, Krama Aradhya. We worship to that Amma internally, and that gives immediate results, Sadhya Prasadini. The blessings will be immense and we get immediate results, no delay there. Okay, and Amma is aware of all our actions. She is Vishwa Sakshini. She knows everything, what all you are doing, how much you are doing, everything she knows. And she is Sakshi Varjita, and nobody can watch her because she is the one ultimate everything who is watching all of us. Okay, shall we move on to the next new verses? Akshayashri, sorry, Yagnashri, you have question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Auntie, when if we like cough, why did they like tap us on the Bindu Mandala chakra?
In the beginning, I didn't understand, ma. Tell me again. Bindu Mandala Chakra.
So like, why do they? If we cough, why do they tap us on the Bindu Mandala?
Oh, if we cough, okay. Because there is that Randram is there, right? It's called Brahma Randram. That is a Bindu Mandala, right? So there is that hole. So when we cough and it is tapped, that air might be getting balanced when we do, correct. So everything is connected. All our actions, our elders suggest doing all these things are connected and they will help us, correct. It will be helping in balancing that extra air that imbalance caused while eating and coughing sometimes, or in any other time also, correct. Okay, we move to the new verses. Who would like to volunteer to chant? I think Sri Harsha raised. Praharsha or Sri Harsha? Who is it? The other side. Praharsha?
Sri Harsha.
Sri Harsha. Okay, Sri Harsha, start. We'll do.
Repeat cheyali.
Iddaru.
Repeat
Okay,
cheyali.
you can do together.
Come near.
You will do together. Let
Slokam
us
chunna.
start. Shadanga Devata.
Shadanga Devata.
Gattiga. 2 times.
Shadanga Devata.
Gattiga. Shadanga Devata.
Shadanga Devata.
Yukta.
Ta.
Once more. Shadanga Devata Yukta.
Shadanga Devata Yukta. Shadanga Devata Yukta.
Shadgunya.
Shadgunya.
Once more.
Shadgunya.
Paripurita.
Paripurita. Paripurita.
Shad. Yes. Shadgunya Paripurita.
Shadgunya Paripurita. Shadgunya Paripurita.
Nityaklinna.
Nityaklinna.
Nirupama.
Nirupama.
Nityaklinna Nirupama.
Nityaklinna Nirupama. Nityaklinna Nirupama.
Yeah, just 2 times is enough. Nirvana.
Nirvana.
Sukhadaini.
Sukhadaini. सुखदायिनी
निर्वाण सुखदायिनी
निर्वाण सुखदायिनी निर्वाण सुखदायिनी निर्वाण सुखदायिनी निर्वाण सुखदायिनी.
Yes, see, after I repeat only 2 times. Okay. Nitya Klinna Nirupama
नित्यकिन्ना निरुपमा नित्यकिन्ना निरुपमा
Nirvana Sukhadayini.
निर्वाण सुखदायिनी.
Once more.
निर्वाण सुखदायिनी निर्वाण सुखदायिनी.
Nitya Shoda
नित्यशोड
Nitya
नित्यशोड नित्यशोड
Shikharupa
शिखारूपा 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 शिखारूपा
Nitya Shoda Shikharupa
नित्यशोड शिखारूपा नित्यशोड शिखारूपा.
Shri Kanthartha
श्रीकंठार्थ श्रीकंठार्थ
Sharirini
शरीरिणी 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 शरीरिणी
Shri Kanthartha Sharirini.
श्रीकंठ शरीरिणी
Wait. Shri Kanthartha
श्रीकंठार्थ श्रीकंठार्थ
Sharirini
शरीरिणी शरीरिणी
Artha Sharirini
अर्धशरीरिणी अर्धशरीरिणी
Shri Kanthartha Sharirini.
श्रीकंठ शरीरिणी.
Yes. Once more. You got it. Shri Kanthartha Sharirini.
श्रीकंठ शरीरिणी श्रीकंठ शरीरिणी.
Prabhavati
प्रभावती प्रभावती प्रभावती
Prabharupa
प्रभारूपा प्रभारूपा
Prabhavati Prabharupa
प्रभावती प्रभारूपा प्रभावती प्रभारूपा.
Prasiddha
प्रसिद्धा प्रसिद्धा
Parameshwari
परमेश्वरी.
Once more.
परमेश्वरी परमेश्वरी
Parameshwari. AE means A sound.
परमेश्वरी परमेश्वरी
Prasiddha Parameshwari
प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी.
Prabhavati Prabharupa
प्रभावती प्रभारूपा प्रभावती प्रभारूपा
Prasiddha Parameshwari.
प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी.
Very good. Okay, so what these verses say is Shad Anga Devata Yukta. Shad means 6. In Sanskritam, the numbers Shad means 6. So Shad Anga Devata. So Amma is having Anga Devatas. Anga means her own body parts. And they are all like Devatas. They are all energies. Okay. So as Amma is sitting in the Bindu, the Sri Chakra, there are 6 different Devatas, energies surrounding her. So, in the Sri Chakra, near the Bindu, around her will be 6 Devatas. They are called Shad Anga Devatas. So, every time when we do Sahasranamam, in the beginning we do Anganyasam. So we place all the devatas, Shadanga, these Shadanga devatas on body parts, our body parts. They are called, we say, right, Aim Hridayaya Namaha, Klim Shirase Swaha. So they are the Anga devatas. Hridaya Devi, Shiro Devi, Shikha Devi, Kavacha Devi, Netra Devi, Astra Devi. They are the devatas, 6 devatas. Okay. It comes in a stotra called Khadgamala Stotra. In that stotra, all different devatas, whoever are present in the Sri Chakra, comes. So in that, the Shadanga devatas are described. Hridaya Devi, Shikha Devi, like that it comes. Yeah, Akshaya? I can't hear you, Nana.
Yes, auntie. So, auntie, does netra mean eyes?
Yes, correct. Netra. Netratrayaya Vaushat, people do, right? So that is Netra. So Shadanga Devata Yukta. So along with all these Anga Devatas, Shadgunya Paripurita. So Amma is having 6 different gunas. What are Amma's gunas? What all she has? She's Paripurita, means she's complete with all the 6 gunas. Which are those gunas? Which are because of these Anga Devatas? Yes. Various gunas are described in the scriptures, like Sarvagnata. So Amma has all knowledge, right? So she knows. Gna means knowledge. She knows everything. Sarva means everything. And she is Nitya Trupta. Nitya Trupti means always contented. Every time she is satisfied and complete, contented. No lackingness that I want this, I want that. Nothing. She is happy. Trupti is there, always happy and contented. Then Anadi Bodha means she knows the knowledge, she has the knowledge of everything, past, present, future, and always, every time she has that knowledge. Sarvagnata means she knows everything, and Anadi Bodha means always it is there. She knows everything and every time, always. And Swatantrata means she has freedom. See, we are all limited, right? We can't do everything. We are so limited. We feel there are so many problems there outside. I need to help, but we cannot go physically there and help there. But Amma is everything, so she can help people who are in trouble, right? So we are limited. We can do only to a certain limit, right? So that freedom she has. And Aluptata means no lacking. She has everything. She can do anything and everything. There is nothing that I don't have this weapon to fight, or I don't have something else. She can do any miracles and she protects out of her compassion. Then Anantata, infinite. She is everything, right? So there is no limit for her. She is infinite. Highest energy. So Shadanga Devata Yukta, Shadgunya Paripurita. So she is filled with all these qualities, great qualities, Paripurita. Then Nitya Klinna. Nitya Klinna is the name given to the Devata who is the 3rd phase of moon. From Amavasya, as the moon increases in size, it's called Shukla Paksha, right? From Amavasya to Purnima is called, as the moon increases in size, it's called Shukla Paksha, and 3rd phase of that moon is called Nitya Klinna. And Klinna means always wet and filled with that Ardrata, they say, means compassion. It is the compassion of Amma. So Nitya Klinna, always that compassion is there for us. That is why she does everything for us, right? Out of her compassion is this world running. So Nitya Klinna, Nirupama, and there is no comparison. We cannot compare her with any other thing. So Upama means example. There is no example like her. She is the ultimate compassion. She is the ultimate energy who can do everything for us, and no comparison. Nirupama, Nirvana Sukhadayini. Nirvana means she can grant us, she is giving us everything we want, and the ultimate happiness, which is called moksha, liberation, is also given by her. Nirvana means that freedom from this worldly life is given by, that sukha is happiness is given by Amma. Dayini means she is the giver. Okay, next. Any questions in these two verses? Clear? Okay. Next is Nitya Shodashika Rupa. So all these Tithi Devatas are 15 in number, right? 15 days. 15. They are called Nitya Devis. They are all Nitya Devis. So these are the 15 Tithi Nitya Devis. So as the moon increases and decreases, these are the Devatas. The third one was Nitya Klina. Okay. See, first Kameshwari, Bhagamalini, Nitya Klina is third one. And all are Nitya Devatas. So Maheshwari Nitya, Srivaduti Nitya, they are all Nityas. So Nitya Shodashika Rupa. So they are 15 in number, Nitya Devatas. And she, Amma, is Shodashi, the 16th one. She is the core, center. She is the 16th, the self, our own self. She is the Atma, out of whom every other energy comes. She is the center. She is the Shodashi. That's why Amma is called as Shodashi. Her Vidya is called, her knowledge is called Shodashi Vidya. Shodashi means 16. In Sanskritam, Shodashi means 16. So, Nitya Shodashika Rupa, she is the form of, Rupa means form. She is the form of Shodashi, 16th form. Shrikantartha Sharirini. Shrikantha is Shiva. Shrikantartha Sharirini. She is the second half of Shiva. Ardha means half. Her half part is Shrikantartha Sharirini. Okay, Shiva and Shakti are half of, and they are one, but in two parts, half. Shrikantartha Sharirini. Then Prabhavati. So all this, Prabha means that radiance. Because Amma is radiating because of all the energies, right, of the Sri Chakra. So all these energies are there. Anima, Lagima, all these Mayukhaihi we say, right, in the Dhyana Shloka. Anima Adhibiravratam Mayukhaihi. So all this Mayukha means the radiance. Anima, Lagima, all these Devatas are present. So all this radiance, as these energies, Prabhavati, Prabharupa, she is the form of radiance. Prasiddha Parameshwari. So Amma is Prasiddha. Prasiddha means famous. Everybody wants Amma. Everybody wants to connect with Amma because she is the ultimate and she can fulfill everything for us. She can do everything for us. So she is Prasiddha. So, yeah, Akshay, you want to say something?
No, auntie.
Okay. So she is Prasiddha and Parameshwari. Parama means ultimate. No comparison, right? So she is the Ishwari, the Lord, Goddess, who has control on everything. All our other Devatas are also under her control. So she is the ultimate, highest Parameshwari. Parama means highest. Ishwari, Devata, the controller, ultimate controller. So Prabhavati, Prabharupa, Prasiddha, Parameshwari. Right? Any questions in these 4 verses? Clear? Okay. We'll repeat together 4 verses. Shadanga Devata Yukta Shadgunya Paripurita Nitya Klinna Nirupama Nirvana Sukhadayini नित्या षोडशिखारूपा श्रीकण्ठार्थशरीरिणी प्रभावती प्रभारूपा प्रसिद्धा परमेश्वरी. Let's do the individual chanting. Omkar, would you like to go? Last time you wanted to chant. First chance to Omkar. Would you like to go?
Okay, auntie.
Okay.
Shadanga Sadgunya Paripurita Nitya Kilina Nirupama Nirvana Sukadayini Nitya Shudashika Rupa Shrikanta Artha Sharirani Prabhavale Prabharupa Prasida Parameshwari.
It is Prabhavati. Prabhavati. And there are, see where there are A, Prabha, Upama. So it's Dirgham. You have to extend the sound.
Okay, auntie.
Shadgunya. Shadgunya Paripurita. Okay, good. Next, who would like to volunteer? Okay, Yagneshri and Tarun, together you can chant.
Shadanga Devata Rupa Shadanga Devata Yukta Shadangya Paripurita Nitya Klima Nirupama Nirvana Sukadayini Nitya Shodashika Rupa Shrikanta Ardhasharini Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasidya Parameshwari.
Good. See, there is a difference here. Shadanga Devata. Here it is Shad. Only one A is there, right? Shadanga Devata Yukta. Second one is Shadgunya. Here it is Sha. Here it is the extension, Dirgham. First Shad is single, Shad. Shadanga Devata Yukta. Second one, Shadgunya Paripurita. Can you make out the difference? Okay. So note that. Otherwise, you're good. Next, who would like to do? Nobody? Okay, that's fine. Any other questions you have? You can ask. General, out of all the verses we did till now. Meanings or chantings or any other question you have. No questions? Okay. Shall we do the next verses then?
Auntie,
Yes, Akshaya.
can you repeat like the meaning of Nitya?
Nitya. Say, Nitya, all the 15 tithis are there, right? The moon phases, they are called Nitya Devatas. So, all the 15 phases of moon, as see, it increases from dark to light. Purnima, from Amavasya to Purnima, the moon phases change, correct? So, when it is increasing from darkness to the full moon, it is called Shukla Paksha. And all the Devatas are called Nitya Devatas. So, Kameshwari Nitya, Bhagamalini Nitya, Nitya Klinna Nitya, Bherunda Nitya. So, they are all Nitya Devatas.
Okay, Auntie.
So, that is, yeah, sure. Nitya Klinna. And Nitya Klinna is third Devata. Third phase of Nitya Klinna. So all these energies are, the center is Amma. So many energies are there in the Sri Chakra. Every layer They are called Nava Avaranas, right? 9 layers are there, and each layer has Avarana has Tithi Devata. Not only Tithi Devatas, many other Devatas has different energies, functionalities. Okay, and Tithi Nitya Devatas are present in the center, in the triangle. So I'll show you which are all the Devatas. Okay, so in the center we have sometimes, so I'll go over this. Okay, so first is Bindu, correct? And it is called Sarva Anandamaya Chakra. So there we get ultimate happiness. So it is Sarva Anandamaya Chakra, happiness. Ananda means happiness. There Shiva Shakti are there, and surrounding Mahakameshwari, she is the Devata, Mahakameshwari and Mahakameshwara. So they are there. So surrounding her is the Trikonam, triangle is there. So after the Bindu comes first triangle, right? So that first triangle is called, there, which are the Devatas present? 3 Devatas will be there for the triangle: Mahakameshwari, Mahavajreswari and Mahabhagamalini. So this Kameshwari and the Bindu Kameshwari are different, 2 different energies, but name is same. So they are the ones. And all the 15 Tithi Nitya Devatas that we saw today, they are also present in the triangle. They are the Kameshwari, Bhagamalini, Nityaklinna. See, Nityaklinna is there. Nityaklinna, Bhairunda, Vanhivasini, Mahavajreshwari, Shivaduti, Tvarita, Kulasundari, Nitya, Neelapataka, Vijaya, Sarvamangala, Jwala Malini, Chitra. These are the 15. Then comes Ashtatrikona. So next layer. Okay. So next triangle that we see, there will be 8 Devatas. Okay. And they are the ones, let's see, Ashtatrikona. So 8 triangles. They are Vashini, Kameshwari, Aruna, Vimala, Jayini, Modini, Sarveshwari and Kaulini. Okay. These are the 8 Devatas that are present. Are you getting confused? So they are the so many energies that are there. Every layer has so many Devatas. So in the 4th layer, 4th Avarana, are the Devatas called Nigarbha Yoginis. 10 triangles will be there. Then 10 Dasha Trikonam will be coming. And it has 10 triangles. Kulottirna Yoginis. So they are all Yogini Devatas. They are called Yoginis. Chatushashtupachararya, Chatushashtikalamayi, and they are all Yoginis. Chatushashti. Yeah, Akshaya? You had question?
No,
No?
Auntie.
Okay. Then comes 14 triangle. The Chaturdasha, 14 triangles will be there. They are Sampradaya Yoginis. Okay. And each Avarana has a Devata, Sarva Saubhagya Dayaka Chakram. The chakra will have a name and it has the specific Devata to that. And to this is the Tripuravasini. The Devata is called Tripuravasini of that chakram. Sarva Saubhagya Chakram. So there are so many chakras, 9, and each chakra has the Devata and so many sub-Devatas. Main Devata will be one for the Avarana, like Tripureshi, and under her will be all these Yogini Devatas. Okay? Each Avarana will have so many powers. And center of everything is Mahatripura Sundari, at the Bindu. Okay? Fine. Let us do our final prayers. Annapurne sada purne Shankarah pranavallabhe Jnanavairagya siddhyartham bhiksham dehi cha Parvati Sarvamangalamangallye Shive sarvartha sadhike Sharanye Trayambike Devi Narayani Namostute सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।